Welcome to Visibility Hacking Radio, where we empower visionary leaders to amplify their message, ignite their mission, and unleash their movement. Are you ready to create a lasting impact and reach new heights? Let's dive in. Hosted by Toronto's own Molly Dorst, a seasoned expert in out-of-the-box branding for visionary leaders, Visibility Hacking Radio brings you valuable insights, powerful strategies, and actionable tips from leading experts and entrepreneurs. Get ready to be inspired, informed, and transformed as we dive into today's episode of Visibility Hacking Radio. Amplify your message, ignite your mission, and unleash your movement.
Let's get into this episode. As entrepreneurs, we're constantly juggling a million different tasks and responsibilities. It can be easy to get caught up in that day-to-day grind and feel like we're constantly chasing our tails. But one thing that has helped me find balance and make the most out of my time is simply planning my content in advance. When I take the time to map out my content strategy, I find that I'm able to work more effectively and efficiently. I'm no longer constantly trying to come up with ideas on the fly or feeling overwhelmed by the amount of content I need to create. As a result, I have more time to focus on the things that matter most to me, like my family and my business. But the benefits of content planning don't stop there. By planning your content in advance, you'll also have a clear roadmap to follow, which means you won't waste time trying to come up with ideas or feeling overwhelmed by the amount of content you need to create. And you'll have more time to focus on other areas of your business, like developing new products and services or building relationships with customers or simply taking a break to recharge. So if you're feeling overwhelmed and stretched thin, I highly recommend setting aside some time to plan out your content. Trust me, it'll make all the difference. You'll be able to work more efficiently, focus on what matters most, and find more balance in your life. And that, my friends, is what it's all about.
Another fantastic episode of Visibility Hacking Radio comes to a close. We hope you've gained valuable insights and tools to help you on your journey to greater success. Stay informed and ahead of the curve by subscribing to our newsletter at visibilityhacking.com/newsletter. You'll receive the latest news, updates, and exclusive content to support your message, mission, and movement. And remember to subscribe, rate, and review the podcast. Until next time, be excellent to each other.